call me Pounds, here I'm known as 9'7". 8 customs create, plus I rhyme great. YouTube, welcome back to another 978 Customs video. And right now we have the Avengers Infinity War Iron Spider. Cool figure, cool figure. You guys know I made this a while back, way before this even came out. But I'm happy to have this version. Like I said, no need to customize one because it was going to come out, and here it is. Here's the back. Looks pretty cool. Let's get a closer shot. If you want to read that, pause the video. And here is the Iron Spider-Man with the box out. And he comes with the Thanos leg from the MCU, from the Avengers Infinity War movie. I don't care for that Build-A-Figure too much, so I'm not going to show you the leg. See, I am working on something. My hands are a little filthy, so actually, let me get on some gloves. And this is going to be my first time taking a look at this thing. And I kind of just want to, I wish I had mine still to compare it, but I don't. But I have pictures, and I do remember how I made it. Here's the Thanos leg. But this is a pretty cool figure, I'm not going to lie. The shoulders feel a little different than the Homecoming Spider-Man. They seem a little more bulky, which looks more proportionate. I like it, though. These little butterfly joints have a click in them. It's kind of funny. I wish he had interchangeable hands, but so does everyone else. I mean, he reminds me so much of the Homecoming figure, but just subtle differences that kind of make it feel like a brand new figure. I like it. First impression, I do like the figure. I mean, there's one thing that is really bugging me about it, but I guess we'll mention that in a little bit. Let's get to what I like. I do like the dark blue metallic on it. The gold looks pretty nice and consistent. It's painted pretty cool. It's not as bright as I'd like it to be, and the red isn't as metallic as it should be. But, I mean, what do you expect, right? In a way, I feel like this entire wave was rushed out just to have merchandise for the movie when it comes out this month. I also feel like they're going to make another Iron Spider with legs attached. Rumor is he's going to be in a 2-pack with Iron Man. I don't doubt that, honestly. But closer look, I mean, he's not metallic at all. His face, it just looks bland. And he has, I call it a basketball face, because he has those dots all around, and for some reason it doesn't match the comic art that's on the back of the box. So in a way, I feel like this is an entirely different figure. I know it's the same exact mold, same exact design, but look at this figure here on the right. It looks so shiny and smooth, and that's just the way I would prefer the Iron Spider-Man. So hopefully on the next one, that's the way they give it to us. But I mean, overall, this figure does look kind of cool. I just feel like the cloth material throws me off so much. And I don't think it's their fault. I know something that Marvel did last minute with the Spider-Man design suit. They CGI'd everything because it was too complicated to actually make the suit in real life. So they added a bunch of metallic metal parts on the suit. And so again, it's not Hasbro's fault, but I really hope Hasbro does change it on the next one, because it does bug me out to see this Spider-Man all bumpy. Just looks like Braille all over his body, and I don't know. It's not as smooth as a metallic suit should be. I know I'm saying the same thing over and over, but I just can't get over that simple fact. They wouldn't make Iron Man like that, would they? So that's all I'm gonna say. But overall, I think it looks cool. Is it worth $20? Sure, if you could find it. Oh, my lights is out. It scared me. Hold on. Oh, damn, son. No, I did this actually like 2.5 weeks ago. I had the Iron Spider. My boy traded me. And so this was not my first impression. Sorry, I lied to you guys. But I had to just paint this for some reason. Someone on Instagram sent me a picture of the Iron Spider as a concept design, all black with gold on it. And I was like, I'm doing that. I had to do something with this figure, so I really like it. I think it looks better than what the Iron Spider looks like now for some reason. There he is. And some people ask me, is that Aaron Davis Iron Spider MCU version? That would be cool, right, to have him? But I think it's too soon for that to even happen. So, but it would be pretty nice. For me, it's just regular Peter Parker in the black Spider-Man. I don't know if it's a symbiote suit or alternate Iron Spider suit. You guys decide. I don't think a symbiote Iron Spider would make any sense, but I gotta say it does look cool. And to be honest, I was scared because the first time I painted this entire thing, I sprayed down his head and sealed it, and it came out all messed up. so I had to redo it. Check it out. I don't know, I must have deleted the video. Well, I saved the video of the head. I sprayed it down and it was entirely all white. And I was scared. I was like, what the hell's going on? So I had to repaint the entire thing. But this was a reference shot. Someone tagged me in on Instagram. And the minute I saw it, I told them I'm making that. Shout out to you for the inspiration piece. So remember, I paint the head first, then the body. And I compared them to the Iron Spider. Thought it was cool. Sealed the head, messed it up. I was like, geez. Alright, gotta do it again. But before that, I tried to do some gloss web lines to see how that would look. And it was just so tedious. And I felt like it didn't make much of a difference. So I decided to take all those gloss web lines off. Did the face again. And I was kind of happy with it. I took the left hand from one of the Homecoming Spider-Man and then painted it all black, sealed it. Not much. It's all black design with gold trimming, so it's pretty simple to do. You just got to know how to, again, chip away at some of the parts if you don't want to have any paint rub. It reminds me of this guy I made a while back. You guys remember him. I haven't sent them out yet, and I really do apologize. Things have been up and down. But he is on his way. He is going to be on his way out to No Limit Designs because that suit was inspired from No Limit Designs. If you guys don't remember that video, you can click right here. But comparing them, you can see that the symbiote is a lot glossier. Well, not a lot, but just slightly more glossy than the Iron Spider is. Even though the Iron Spider would be in a metallic suit, but until we get that figure without the braille dots on his face, it doesn't have to be so metallic. Inside, though, I put a more gloss black inside the Spider logo, just to pop out from the dull black around the Iron Spider. But there really is no need to give him his own review. I figured I'd just squeeze him in with the Iron Spider review. If you guys like this video and you want to see more Spider-Man and Spider-Man customs, feel free to like, comment down below. Let me know what you think about both of these, the Iron Spider, if you were able to pick it up, and this custom right here. And let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you soon.